Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist, and today we are taking a quick look at VECHAIN again on the daily time frame in the local area. As always, please do like and subscribe for Billy. He's got a very interesting haircut today. And as we said before, let's take a look at the charts then for VECHAIN in this local area. So you can see, obviously, as I've said before, VECHAIN's been having a really good time recently. Ever since we came down and touched this swing low down here at around 1.5 cents. As you can see, we came down, double bottomed in this area, broke out of the resistance, back tested, and then since then we've had this nice bullish market structure. Starting to get some relief off the lows. We got up from around that 1.5 cent level all the way up to around 3.1 cents. So just over a 2x over the past few months for VECHAIN, getting some nice relief off of that swing low area. Around 95% corrected down there from the all-time high. And you can see we've almost come up and touched the range high that we have made over the past few years. You can see in this area here, we've essentially got this nice range high resistance that we formed after basically just consolidating in this area for a long time. And it looks as though we are selling off in that area after a little bit of a rejection here, as you can see. I said in yesterday's video that if we do start to sell off, the first place where we'll probably see a bounce is at that previous 0.23 Fibonacci level that we came up, tested, broke through, continued, and now looking like we're coming down again to back test it at around 2.7 cents. I did say that that would be a support, and it is looking like we are bouncing in that area. As you can see here, we've come down into this area on the hourly time frame, basically come up, come down, formed a little bit of a range here. We couldn't make a new swing high, we've come down, made a new low, and then come down and back tested again. Continuation to the downside to that level. Obviously, the VECHAIN I do think is going to do well long term, and right now it is looking quite overextended, so a pullback was fairly likely. And you can see here we've just come down and essentially back tested not only this previous area of structure but also that 0.23 Fibonacci level. So really, as I said before, once you do get into bull markets for cryptocurrencies, really the best thing to look for is where can you get your bounces up and down, supports and resistances in terms of your Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci levels are really well respected for the most part that I've seen in cryptocurrency markets. So right now we're looking for support, as we are finding currently, at the 0.23 Fibonacci for VECHAIN, and we're really looking to target a break of this range, aren't we? If we do see a nice continuation of this bullish momentum here, maybe a little bit of a deeper back test followed by a pump up towards that bear market resistance, which is currently sitting at around 4 cents still, we do need to see ourselves getting up towards that 4.2 cent 0.38 Fibonacci as the next target, if we do see a nice continuation of this. But I do think with Bitcoin having a bit of a pullback, we are going to see a sell-off in the wider market, which is what we've been seeing really. And if we do continue to the downside, Bitcoin right now will be leading the way. Probably going to see VECHAIN come down and close maybe a little bit lower, come all the way back even as far as this previous swing high, as we did before for a back test like this, down at around 2.3, 2.4 cents before a bounce back to the upside. So be interesting to see what happens next. VECHAIN looking really good recently, but right now I would say it's just going to start working the fib levels, and we are looking for that breakout to the upside, hopefully, provided that Bitcoin doesn't, have a massive correction, which is, always possible as well. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment, go sign up to the links in the description, get yourself some free crypto and money, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.